Welcome to driver therapy, guys. Hello. All right, this is a 360 video, so feel free to look around anywhere you want. It's really cool. So let's go ahead and start driving. All right, this is the inside of the NSX. Now, I think a very comfortable car. What do you think, Elise?
Definitely comfortable.
Yeah, pretty comfortable. And I mean, the seats, even for being 1990s, I mean, it's pretty good. And I'm a little on the heavy side, and it doesn't bug me at all. So I love driving the NSX. It's just such a great car to drive. You really feel close to the ground. Of course, the engine and the way that it performs. But I love how much I would say, not clearance, but how much you can see. Visibility, that's the right word. How much visibility there is around the car. Originally, I didn't know this, but the car was designed after the top half was designed after the F-16. I didn't know that. They took inspirations from it, which is pretty cool. So, you know, big windshield, and in the back, it's actually perfect enough to see. It's not a very big window in the back. Go ahead and pan back there and check it out. I can see the wing, mostly the wing back there, but I got a clear shot if there's something behind me. So, but seeing the little wing is a little bit of fun. I like that. Now the AC works pretty well. The radio is notorious for having issues, but one of the great things I love about the car is that the gear shifter is in a great spot. I mean, it's one of the best positioning I've seen, and it feels just really, really good. Oh yeah. And then when you're taking these turns with no power steering, it's always a nice little workout. Well guys, I think we're gonna hit the sun here, but we just wanted to make a real quick video, guys, to show you the interior of the NSX. We did one on the Supra. We showed you the Monument actually from the outside of the NSX. We thought it'd be cool to show it to you inside. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. The 360 videos have been a lot of fun to make. So you guys stay safe and stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you later.